Southbound at Wills Creek, Norfolk Southern 1087 leads a mixed freight down the historic Alabama Great Southern. Railroading through this part of Alabama dates back to the 1850s, when construction began on Wills Valley Railroad, intended to connect Chattanooga with Elton, what we know today as Birmingham. The Civil War interrupted that work, but railroad eventually became part of the Alabama Great Southern in 1877. More than 170 years after those first efforts to put rails through this region, the route is still busy. Today is NS 1087, an SD70 ACE leading a southbound mix of covered hoppers, boxcars, tank cars, and more through Wills Creek. Just another good day trackside.